In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a share link from OneDrive and Outlook. We'll start in your web browser, head to the OneDrive homepage and sign in if you're prompted. Once you're in, look for the My Files area. This is where all your personal OneDrive files and folders live. Click My Files to open your library so you can browse what you want to share. Next, scroll through your files to find the item you want to send. This can be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or even a folder. When you've located it, right-click the file to open the context menu. This menu gives you quick actions, and the one we're after is Share. Click Share. OneDrive will open a sharing window that prepares a link to your file. Depending on your organization's settings, this link might allow anyone with the link to view, or it might be restricted to specific people in your organization. If you need to adjust access, you can do that in this window, but for now we'll use the default so we stay focused on the workflow. Now click Copy Link. OneDrive will generate the share URL and place it on your clipboard automatically. You'll usually see a confirmation that the link has been copied. That means you're ready to paste it into your email. Switch over to Outlook on the web and click New Mail to start a new message. In the To line, enter the recipient's email address. Make sure you're using the correct address, especially if your link is restricted to your organization, because access depends on who's receiving it. Add a clear subject line so the recipient knows what the link is for. For example, something like OneDrive link to the quarterly report. Click into the message body and paste the link you copied from OneDrive. Outlook will typically recognize it and may display it as a neat hyperlink. If you want, you can add a short note explaining what the file contains and whether the recipient can view or edit it. Clear context helps your recipient know exactly what to expect. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient will get the email with the OneDrive share link and can access the file according to the permissions tied to that link. And that's it. You've quickly shared a OneDrive file through Outlook without attaching large files directly. If your recipient can't open the link, it's usually a permission setting on the link itself, so just revisit the share window in OneDrive and check the access level. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.